Welcome to the tutorial for BIM Wizard, Knauf's powerful and easy-to-use plugin for Autodesk Revit. Let's jump right in. Once you download and install our plugin, you can find it on the Add-ins ribbon. You'll notice the initial screen has a bit of text instructing us to select a wall or ceiling type. So let's do that. Here are all the different wall types we have available in our product catalog. If we select a system here, the database will load and the rest of the tool becomes available. You can see the interface is broken into multiple distinct areas. In the upper left is the performance criteria area, where we put in information about fire and acoustic ratings, physical dimensions, and framing details of our system. In the attributes area, we can specify impact, moisture, and mold-resistant linings for our system. In the ancillary area, we can search for a system by name, and specify up to 3 linings we want systems in our search results to have, or not have. Below that is an area for acoustic ceiling tiles related filters. In the top right is the helpful links area. These are just a handful of hyperlinks to popular areas of the Knauf website. Along the bottom is the results area. For any particular set of inputs from the filter area above, we'll get results meeting the minimum specifications we've provided. We can expand any system for further information about it. We get a 3D thumbnail image, full system description, and maximum wall height or ceiling span details. If we want to better view and compare results, there is a button at the top to minimize the filters area. We can open multiple systems at a time if we like, and compare.